Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is Fiscal Health Index. Why in news? Niti Aayog's Fiscal Health Index 2025 has recently ranked Odisha as the top performing state in terms of fiscal stability, followed by Chhattisgarh, Goa, Jharkhand and Gujarat. About Fiscal Health Index. The Fiscal Health Index initiative by Niti Aayog aims to evolve an understanding of the fiscal health of states in India. The FHI analysis covers 18 major states that drive the Indian economy in terms of their contribution to India's GDP, demography, total public expenditure revenues, and the overall fiscal stability. As states are responsible for approximately 2/3 of public spending and 1/3 of total revenue, their fiscal performance is important for the country's overall economic stability. The report objectively evaluates each state's fiscal health through a composite index, facilitating comparisons and benchmarking against best practices. Objectives of the Fiscal Health Index: to provide a comparative analysis of fiscal health across Indian states through standardized metrics, to identify areas of strength and concern in states' fiscal management practices, to promote transparency, accountability, and prudent fiscal management through empirical assessment, to assist policymakers in making informed decisions aimed at enhancing fiscal sustainability and resilience. Key indicators evaluated. The FHI 2025 evaluates states on a comprehensive set of indicators divided into 5 categories. Tax buoyancy, a measure of how responsive a state's taxation policy is to economic growth. Debt to GSDP ratio. The ratio compares a state's total public debt to its gross state domestic product. Debt management, analyzing a state's debt portfolio, including debt sustainability and interest burdens. Fiscal deficit management, assessment of fiscal deficit as a percentage of GSDP and adherence to statutory limits. Overall fiscal sustainability, a composite analysis of the state's revenue, expenditure, deficit, and debt indicators. Key findings of Fiscal Health Index 2025. Top performers: Odisha leads with a top score of 67.8, excelling in debt sustainability and capital outlay, indicating strong fiscal management. Chhattisgarh and Goa follow closely with a focus on revenue mobilization and debt management. Revenue mobilization: Odisha, Jharkhand, Goa, and Chhattisgarh excel in generating non-tax revenue, with Odisha benefiting from mining revenues. Fiscal challenges: Punjab, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, and Kerala are facing challenges such as high fiscal deficits, poor debt sustainability, and low expenditure quality. Debt concerns: West Bengal and Punjab have rising debt to GSDP ratios, raising concerns about the sustainability of their debt portfolios. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about Fiscal Health Index. The Fiscal Health Index is an initiative by RBI aimed at evaluating and comparing the fiscal health of Indian states. Fiscal Health Index 2025 has recently ranked Gujarat as the top performing state in terms of fiscal stability. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.